In the north of Norway, cod fishery is extremely important, and we have two main cod stocks. One is ocean-going and available on the coast almost just for a few months. And then we have these local populations in the fjord, like the Porsanger Fjord, which are available year-round, but which also has collapsed for the last 40 and 50 years. And we have identified high juvenile mortality as a probable reason why they won't recover, despite the very low fishery in the last few years. So what we try to do in this Ocean Citizen project is to test these artificial reefs, especially designed to increase survival rates in these nursery areas as a measure to try to help recovering these cod stocks. So that's part of the rebuilding plan. We will also try to implement MPAs, where we protect also the larger specimens as they rebuild, and also to establish a spawning cage to get more eggs and more juveniles into these very specific areas where they have a potential to survive.